Hello, welcome guys. My name is Priyansh and you are watching Encyclohub. In this video, we are discussing MMPC 001 from MBA Finance and Marketing. Uh, for Before starting this video, I want to share something. We are providing all the answers of these questions. So in this video, we are discussing question number 1. If you need answers of these questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on your screen in the below, and which is 9009368238. You can contact us and by this number by call or messages. And the question number 1 is saying what is the meaning and the definition of the management and describe its characteristics. How does management differ from administration and discuss the challenges faced by the management. So this is the basically from the management course, which is MBA. If you need answers of this question, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number by message or call. So thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet you soon in the next video.